How to reset Android device without losing important data. Hey guys, in today's video, we're breaking down how you can reset your Android device without losing important files. Here's a clean way to refresh your Android phone without risking your photos, chat, or other files. First thing first, you can start with a full backup using Google Backup so that your apps, contacts, SMS, and settings are safely stored. Go to Settings. From here, you can find Account and Backups. Tap on it. Then you can find Samsung Cloud and then Google Drive. If you have any other device like Xiaomi, you might have Xiaomi Cloud, but I'll just go over with Google Drive Backup because this is going to be available for all of your files. Make sure you tap on it and then select photos and videos. If you want to back them up, turn on the backup by toggling it on. Then you have your other data like your call history, your SMS, and more. You can change your Google account by tapping on your Google account here, and it will sync accordingly. Once you've backed up, you can back up media separately by syncing your photos and videos to Google Photos, or you can manually move them to PC or other external hard drive. Here you can find transfer data for device setup as well, and you'll also find the external storage transfer. If you tap on it, you can connect an SD card or hard drive directly to your phone, which will then allow you to back up all of your files on the external drive. Now, once that is done, you can also avoid factory reset unless necessary. And if you must, you can restore your Google backups during the setup to bring everything back. You can also use the built-in reset settings only feature, which restores system defaults. So for that, go to General Management, go to Reset, and then here you can find Reset All Settings menu. So what it's going to do is just reset all of the settings and does not delete any personal files. That's it for this video, guys. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you guys in the next one.